Good morning, dear student. Standard 10th Science, Chapter 1. Today we will discuss about displacement reaction. To discuss this displacement reaction, first we have to discuss about definition. So what is displacement reaction, student? Then in any chemical reaction, when less reactive element displaced by more reactive element, then this type of chemical reaction is called displacement reaction. What happens here? Less reactive element displaced by more reactive element. Okay, student. So to discuss this displacement reaction, we have to discuss here one activity. For this activity, student, we have to take two test tube. In both test tube, we have to take 10 ml of CuSO4 solution, that is copper sulfate solution. One, and give name A and B. A test tube we have to keep another side in test tube stand, and test tube B, that is here, arranged in this diagram. Okay, we will arrange like this with stand. Okay, then dear student, we have to take 3 iron nails. Understood? 3 iron nails. First we have to clean up these iron nails with the help of glass paper, and then among these three, 2 iron nail we have to keep in this CuSO4 solution with the help of thread. You can see here in this diagram. And 1 iron nail we have to keep another side. Understood, dear student? We have to take 2 test tube. We have to give name A and B. B test tube we have to arrange like this, what is given in this diagram. And then A test tube we have to keep another side in test tube stand. Okay, and in both test tube 10 ml we have to take CuSO4 solution. Then we have to take 3 iron nails and clean up with the help of glass paper. Then 2 iron nail here we have to keep in test tube B. Okay, with the help of thread in this copper sulfate solution, and 1 iron nail we have to keep another side. We have to keep these iron nails in this copper sulfate solution 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we have to take out, and then we have to compare this iron nail, okay, and one iron nail which is kept another side, and this solution, that is which is kept in test tube B with test tube A. Here you can see in this diagram. Okay, here iron nail which is keep another side, okay, not kept in CuSO4 solution, and this is another which was kept in CuSO4 solution, that is copper sulfate solution. Here you can see, dear student, which was kept in CuSO4 solution, that turns maroon red. Okay, and here we have to compare both solutions, CuSO4 solution, test tube B and test tube A. This is test tube A which was kept another side. Okay, student, and this is test tube B in which iron nail was kept. Here color you can see here, that is bluish color here disappear or becomes light color. Okay, student, what is the reason for this? Then with the help of first we have to discuss with the help of chemical reactions. Ferrous, that is what? Iron nail, and CuSO4, that is copper sulfate solution. We kept here iron nail in CuSO4 solution. So Cu displaced here by ferrous, and what forms here? Ferrous sulfate solution, and copper displaced by ferrous. Okay, here ferrous sulfate form, so here iron nail turns maroon red, and here Cu displaced from the solution, so here dark color becomes lighter. okay, or blue color disappears. Dear student, understood? So here when more reactive element displaced by less reactive element displaced by more reactive element, then this type of chemical reaction is called displacement reaction.